Hi everyone, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. I am working with the April 2020 kits, and my assignment for today is mother, I believe, just because it's Mother's Day on Sunday. And so I thought I would scrap a picture from me with my three crazy boys, which made me to a mom nearly 18 years ago, so the oldest one. And yeah, I was thinking about creating a bright and colorful layout with a crazy picture from me and my kiddos. And I just went my paper through the Cameo, and I just wrote mom, mother, mom, mama, you know, all kinds of stuff I'm calling, or I would call it from my boys. I will call it from my boys, you know. I just, my idea was to back the open words with some pattern papers from the main kit. And here you can see what I have grabbed, what kind of papers I have grabbed. I will change one paper strip, and then I will start to create my layout. So I will grab the watercolors, the liquid watercolors we got in the color kit, and they are from, I believe it's Hero Arts. I'm not pretty sure right now. So here you can see how this is looking, and I just stitched the papers down with my sewing machine, and I love how this is looking. And now I will work on my mixed media background, or I wanted to bring in some color. And all I'm doing is mixing the honey with lots of water, but as you can see, the color is very bright, and so I'm adding a touch of that pink, and now it's more on the orangey side, but it's still very bright. And in the moment I pressed the paper or the plastic down on my paper, I was like, ooh, no, that's way too bright. It's not what I wanted or what I expected. And so yeah, I'm now going over the yellow with just clear water, and then I decided to bring in some more of the pink. So I will stop on one point, and then I will just add a layer of pink on top of the yellow, so it's more on the peachy side. And now I'm just mixing for some splatters, and yeah, it's still very bright, but in the end I'm okay. I will bring in some yellow details, and then I am kind of happy with that page. So yeah, splattering some of the pink down, and then I will take a little break to just add a coat of that pinky orange tone. You can see it's a bit darker, and I also had a look into the papers, and I decided to cut some of these frames apart from the crepe paper sheet, and I also fussy cut that word happy from one of the crepe paper die cuts. So my title will be My Happy Crazy Life, and it's yeah, my life is crazy. I mean, I have three crazy boys. I work full time. I have a dog. I have a house. I have a hobby, and so I'm just running around from one appointment to the other, and it's just crazy. But I love it. So I distressed the papers behind my picture. I added lots of foam tape, and I'm sorry about my light today. I got a new big awesome ring light for my desk, but I haven't found the perfect placement, so I'm having always a bit from the light on my pictures, and it's glowing, and it's just, I don't know, I need to work on that, but I was late with this video just because of all my work I have to do. And so I'm sorry if that's totally annoying you, and I will work on that, I promise. So now it's my it's happy crazy life, but I will bring in the awesome holographic alphas for the word my. And now I'm looking into the bits and pieces to decorate my layout, and I was kind of happy with these gorgeous layered butterflies from Crate Paper Maggie Holmes, I believe. And so I'm just popping them up with some foam tape, and then I will just scatter some more little bits and pieces around. Here I grabbed 3 or 4 chipboard flowers I will place underneath my picture, and there's a dark green shade in the butterfly, and so I was kind of happy to bring that color again with these flowers. And I will also bring in a yellow flower on the left side, on the right side, I'm sorry. This sticker said, "There is sunshine in my heart," I believe, and for sure there is sunshine in my heart. And yeah, just bringing in some more butterflies, some more little stickers. I was thinking about animal dots, but I will not. So now I'm just bringing in some lines for my journaling, but I will do the journaling off camera. And it's just about the fact that I love my crazy life and my crazy boys, and I am thankful to be a mom. And yeah, so that's it. So you will get a close-up and some final pictures, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I wish you all a great day, and yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, and give your mom a big hug if you can, you know. So lots of love from me, from Germany, and that's it for now. Bye bye.